even though I was given this picture, I'm going to draw two more pictures. Figure A, figure B, and of course figure C is given in the question. So in order to find the answer to our main question, I'm first going to find the area of this green shape. That's my goal, to find the area of this green shape. I'm going to call it a petal shape. Now I have to find the perimeter as well, but I will first find the area. And in order to find the area, I have to find the area of a few other pieces first. Let's erase all my drawings. So first I need to find the area of this square. According to the question, this square is a 2 by 2 square, and area of the square has to be 2 times 2, or 2 squared is equal to 4. Then I am now going to explain how I can find the area of this quarter circle. How do I find that? Take a look. The radius, this is a quarter circle. Okay, what you see, the white piece is quarter of a circle, and the radius of that circle is obviously 2. We know area of a circle is given by this formula pi r squared, where r is the radius of the circle. But since I don't need the whole circle, I divided the area of a circle formula by 4. Why by 4? Because I only need a quarter of it. Of course, r for this problem is 2. That's where this 2 is coming from. Now 2 squared is 4. 4 pi divided by 4 is pi. I'm going to leave pi as pi. You can replace it with 3.142 and you'll be fine, but I'll leave it alone for now. Now, I am going to find the area of the green piece in the first figure. How do I do that? Well, it's really not that difficult. I'm going to subtract the area of the quarter circle from the area of the square. Now, the area of the square is 4. I have 4 here. Area of the quarter circle is pi. I have pi here. So in terms of pi, the area of this green shape that I kind of shaded pink, of course, is 4 minus pi. Okay, so here I'm finding the area of this green piece plus the area of this green piece in figure 2, of course, which these two shapes are congruent. They're exactly the same. Their areas should be exactly the same. So all I did is took this answer and multiplied it by 2 to get 8 minus 2 pi. So 8 minus 2 pi is the total area of these two green pieces in figure B. So to find the area of the green piece in figure C, I have to make a few connections. I do understand that this green piece and this white piece have the same area. This green piece and this white piece have the same area. And I just found that the area of the two green pieces is 8 minus 2 pi. So the area of these two white pieces should also be 8 minus 2 pi. And if I take the area of the square, which I know is 4, from here, if I subtract 8 minus 2 pi from here and here, and with a little bit of algebra, I can write 2 pi minus 4 instead of 4 minus 8 minus 2 pi, I get 2.28. So basically the area of this green piece has to be 2.28. And I did replace pi with 3.142. If you want to leave your answer in this format, 2 pi minus 4, you will be fine. So let's now find the perimeter of the green petal. I don't need the first two pictures anymore. I just need this one. Now, to find the perimeter of the green green petal, I really have to know what perimeter means. Perimeter is the length of the outer boundary. The outer boundary of the green shape is comprised of a quarter arc, quarter of a circle, plus another quarter arc. A quarter plus a quarter is half. So these two curved arcs should be basically half a circle. The circumference of a circle is given by the formula 2 pi r. I divide 2 pi r by 2 because I only want half of that, and that turns out to be pi r. Now r for this formula, for this problem, is 2. So I replace r with 2 and I get 2 pi for the perimeter of the shaded region. And if I replace pi with 3.142, I get 6.2831 approximately. So the perimeter of the green petal or shaded region is 2 pi or 6.2831. Now, you can write 2 pi on the exam and leave your answer in that format and you will be fine. Once again, you really have to make this connection. I'm repeating myself. Let's erase my writing. I'm repeating myself. You really want to see this is a quarter arc, 1/4 of a whole circle. This is another 1/4 of the whole circle. Now my drawing is not the best because I'm using a mouse to draw, okay? But you get the picture. This is a quarter arc. This is a quarter arc. Quarter plus quarter is 1/2. So I'm really finding 1/2 of the whole circle. The formula for the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. I took 2 pi r, divided it by 2 to get pi r.